Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart of the E-mini. Couple things I wanted to point out. You see yesterday's high, 1424.75, set up pretty well for us. That was our upper level yesterday with the subscribers in the room there, 1424.5. And whether this is the rollover or not, we don't know. I mean, there's no way to tell. And the only way we're going to be able to tell is to let it trade for a few days, because the bears, basically all this does is relieve some of the overbought condition that we were seeing through so many days of essentially going straight up off of 1350. Whether the bears can convert that into an extended pullback remains to be seen. But when I look at this chart, this is what I'm looking at today. You've got the daily and 3-day pivots here at 1415, which is a nice little target for a long today if we do begin to rally. And you see that looks like we do have some support here at 1406, which is near a pretty decent fib level at 1406.93. So we may get a little bit of a relief rally today. So keep an eye on that. But as I switch over to the daily chart here, there's a couple things that stand out to me. You've got what is undoubtedly a pretty toppy candle here. You've also got the Bollinger Bands that are starting to curl into each other, suggesting that we're going to start to consolidate a little bit. And that consolidation usually tends to happen around the middle band, which right now is right around 1393, which suggests we need to pull back a little further from here. 1409 area is not going to cut it. We've got to give back another 20 handles or so. Right now the 50% retracement of this current move sits at about 1387, and that's basically my target for any kind of extended pullback. Is there a chance that we sell off more than 1387? Absolutely. I mean, you could sell all the way down to punch a lower Bollinger Band, but let's take this one step at a time. I mean, basically what we have is nonstop buying from 1350, and we've got 1 day of selling and potentially a day of follow through. So let's see if we can put together 2 or 3 down days in a row and see where that takes us. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade 1409.5 on the upside. 9-day pivot 1409.75. Then I got 1412, 1415. Then up to the swing high 1424.75, 1427. On the downside 1406.93, 1404, 1396, 1393.68. 1389.66, 1387. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, and I'll see you tomorrow.